Hey folks, my name is Sean Osteen. I'm the owner of Osteen's Load and Go, and today I want to talk to you about our 20-yard dumpster. This dumpster is great for new construction, larger remodels, 4 or 5 bedrooms. It fits approximately 7 to 10 pickup truck loads worth of junk in it. This particular size, we also offer special pricing for clean concrete and clean fill dirt. So if you have any questions, just give us a call at 407-988-5341, or you can go on our website at osteensloadandgo.com and you can book a dumpster straight from there. Thank you.